reviewing packaged volume in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you your record of everything packaged, how to filter it, and how to repair a total that doesn't add up without redoing the whole run. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Production, Packaged Volume from your dashboard. This screen is your record of everything that's been packaged, totals by batch, by SKU, and by date, so you can confirm your packaging runs landed the way you expect. Use the filters at the top to narrow down to a date range, a specific SKU, or a specific batch. Each row shows the volume packaged, the destination package type, and links back to the run and the batch it came from. If a number here ever looks off, a total that doesn't match what you'd expect from a run, there's a repair tool built in for exactly that. It can fix the underlying components, destination, or ledger entry without you having to redo the whole run. Use it when the numbers don't add up, not as a routine step. Once it's clean here, this is what you cross-check against your finished goods inventory before close.